Hey everyone, and welcome to day 64 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. We are going to continue in opportunities, and we are going to look at the Commissions tab, which is the green sheet replacement. So let's click on opportunities. And just for the sake of the challenge, let's continue in the opportunity that you have been working in the past couple days. So I'm going to click on it and open up the opportunity. So the commissions tab here, you'll notice it's grayed out and it's got a little help icon beside it that if you hover over it, it says you will be able to view your commission when you have an accepted offer. So if you guys remember, we've previously talked about this offer tabs here in the middle. So when I click on that and I have my offers in my opportunity, once I choose the one that we've accepted, I'm going to mark it as accepted, and you'll notice that my commissions tab now opens, and it's actually going to use information from that offer, as well as the information you have in the opportunity details, as well as the information you have from selecting the listing from the KWLS. And it is going to fill in all of this information for you. It's going to have your royalty and company dollar in real time so that you can keep up with where you are in your cap. And you'll scroll down and it'll show you all of those calculations, and it'll give you options for KW cares, so your different deductions on here. And down in the add item, you have additional elements that you can use, and this is where referrals live. So if you've ever forgotten to add a referral on a green sheet, I know it happens. This is where that will live, and you'll select it and you can put in all the information. If that referral is something that you have been working with from the referral network in Command and Kelly, then it actually is going to be a part of that opportunity, and it should pull in that information for you so that you don't have to remember to add it. So that's some new tidbit of knowledge that I actually learned yesterday on a live stream. So this is just a preview of that commissions tab. You cannot submit these right now, but we will very, very soon be able to do that. They're just working out some more kinks. By the time I publish this video, it's very possible that you might be able to, but in this challenge today, I just want you guys to take a look at this and kind of familiarize yourself with it. And that is all for day 64 of our command challenge. Thanks for watching.